Hi, I'm Jordan Smigelski with Morley Construction, Project Manager for the USC Social Science Building. The project is a social science interdisciplinary building for USC. It's roughly 98,000 square feet, 5 levels up, the roof, 1 level down, classrooms, interview rooms, and conference rooms for the building of social sciences. Basically, we're landlocked with about 2 buildings and a fire access road. So one of the things that we did to alleviate safety concerns with the students in the campus was actually install a tower crane to make sure that we took materials from the fire road, keep the fire road open, and still do stocking of materials from one side of the building instead of 3. Because we have a tight site, working with the subs and working with the university on saying how we're going to get those materials in and out of the building the quickest and safest and still get you the design. Well, a lot of those things were worked out on the front end in pre-construction. The whole building from structure to the finishes is all modeled. And so we actually had the 3D architectural model from HKS, and we also had a MEP model from IBE. A lot of the issues on how things are going to fit, where supports are going and how tight the building was, were resolved with using the BIM programs and doing the coordination up front with the MEP subcontractors. Structural steel is a moment frame building, so we have big cruciform columns at the 4 corners and moment frame at the exterior perimeter. Cruciform columns here, this was the largest pick that we had on the job, basically stacking about 2 floors at a time, 106 feet at 23,000 pounds. All the exterior skin was design build, so the engineer of record made structural combinations for his superstructure and big pieces of tube steel for the large crane set pieces of precast that go around the building. The exterior skin system is 2 different systems completely. We have large tube steel supporting the big crane set pieces, and then we have metal stud framing supporting the brick and handset precast. One supporting from metal stud framing, the other supporting from large pieces of tube steel and focus loads. We did a mock-up for the actual exterior skin. The value of the mock-up here was to actually get the correct brick blend, the caulking color, the precast color, because at USC there's a lot of different families of brick and precast. We wanted to make sure that the mix was within the family of the surrounding buildings. Not a match, but a family was very stressed by USC. Once we got the mock-up up, it was almost too perfect. So they wanted it to more have an aged look. So we came back and actually sandblasted the mock-up for the final finish. And so you have the nice transition of the brick to the actual precast and the final caulking color that everybody signs off on. One of the things that we go above and beyond working with USC is we understand the end user here, coming from what's the end user need and what the building need for maintenance. It's a holistic approach that we take with the client.